Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can transfer data from your old phone to OnePlus Nord for 5G. So if you want to move everything, what you can do is use the app that is called Clone Phone, and it looks pretty much like this, or it may have a similar icon as well. If you open it, then you want to select that this is the new device. And at first, when you use it for the first time, you'll need to grant lots of permissions so you can allow them. And after that, you need to select whether you had Oppo, Realme, or OnePlus before. So if one of these phones is your old phone, then you need to select this option. If you had any other Android smartphone, then of course you want to use other Android. And if you had iPhone, then of course you want to select iPhone. I had other Android, so I'm gonna select this option. And now we need to install the Clone Phone app on your old device. So you can, for instance, search for the Clone Phone app in Google Play and then download the app. You can also use the QR code, that's completely fine, and then we will proceed. So once you have the app on your old device, you want to press scan the QR code to connect to, and of course scan the QR code. There we go. After that, once we connect both devices, we can select what data we want to transfer. So we can select contacts, apps, sorry, not apps, yeah, apps as well, but contacts, messages, call logs, multimedia files, so all photos, videos, music, and documents, as well as apps. So then you can press next if you select what you want to transfer. After that, you will see in the summary of what is or what has been selected, also the size of everything. So of course, the bigger size, the more time it will take in order to transfer those files. And then you can also make some changes before you proceed. So you can deselect, for instance, videos, you can deselect apps, and some more like pictures and stuff. And once you are certain now what you want to transfer, simply press next. Of course, you will need to grant some permissions before you can transfer, permissions on your older device, of course. But once you grant them, just press next. And now all what's left to do is pretty much press start migration. You might need to also select I understand the content on this page, so press start migration, and there we go. Now we are transferring, and there we go. As you can see, the transfer is completed now. So what we can do is simply press resume. We also have the migration report, and we can press done. So that's pretty much it. Now in order to, for instance, find your files, you can simply open, for instance, files by the Google app in order to find everything that you had on your old device, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!